Welcome back to this video. Quite a lot number of people that use Android phone does not actually know this. And in this video, I will simply show you on how to create folders on your Android phone to organize your file in each folder. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to come to the site right here. And what you need to do is to simply search for files. So I will type in files. Then here we go. Click on File Manager right here. Then it's going to take you right here. You can simply click on Browse. Now it's going to take you right here. How do you simply create file folder? I'm going to select Image Folder File right here. The next thing you need to do is to select a particular item. So I'm going to select images right here, screenshot. Then having select your image right here, you can click on Hold down, select as many as possible file in order to start creating the file folder. And for you to create a file folder, what you need to do after you select items, next thing you need to do is to click on copy right here. When you click on copy, this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on new folder. Then enter the name of the new folder right here. I'm going to name this folder experiments. Then I'll simply click on done. Then I'll simply click on done. Create successful. So here I can scroll down and look for the folder experiments. Here we go. We have it right here. Now I can paste as many as possible files into this particular folder. For me to do that, since I'll select two files, I will simply click on the folder right here. Having selected the folder, it's going to open up. You can see the folder is empty. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on paste right here. And I can fill, and it's going to take me right here. Then I have the files right here inside the folders. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to create a new folders in your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.